Hello everyone, welcome back to the Flying Brick, and today I has a box. This box is directly from the Lego group. I ordered at their online shop at the lego.com/shop, and I ordered quite a large number of sets, more than usual in this, and it's a pretty big box, so let's get into it. There's these white straps we have to cut. I've opened a box like this before, so I know how it works. So let's remove those. And now let's open the lid. Okay, so there we go. There's a receipt there. Oops. Yeah, so, alright, you can see a few things in the box already. I'll move it closer to the camera. So, first stuff we get are these, Air Plus airbags. I'll pop one for you on the ground, because they're quite explosive. Hang on though. They sound like that. So, with quite a big amount of them. Wow. Oh, that's a lot. Huh. Alright, so the first thing I got is this Lego Classic 10704 brick box or something. Don't know what it's called, but I got this to review it, and it's got a handle on it, so that's pretty good. That's the first thing. Let me, organize everything backstage. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is this pretty good free item. It's this 60 years of the brick set. 60 years anniversary of the brick set, and looking at it now, this is my first impression. It's got a pretty good box design. These are small dioramas of old sets, and it's got the old box design. I like the dark blue and the white, so yeah, that's the free item. There's this Lego Classic 10703 doors and windows kit, I think. Yeah, it says many doors and windows on the side, so it comes with all these special pieces, and then lots of plates and just other random stuff to build buildings with. So yeah, there's that. That's from, so these two classic sets are from last year, 2017, and I ordered this to get the 2018 Lego Classic sets. So here is the 10712 Bricks and Gears. This is a pretty interesting set when I first saw it. I thought they'd never branch out into this, but it looks pretty interesting and not as basic as all the other ones are. So that's the first 2018 set. The second one is this 10713 suitcase, which seems to have some storage things. Hopefully you can move it around, but you can see there it's got some storage, like dividers, that's what it is, and that's the back. I've never seen it. Okay, so yeah, I got that. It feels pretty heavy for having 213 pieces, but that's alright. And this is the biggest so far. So this is the Lego Classic 10715 wheels kit. It's basically the Windows kit, but it has wheels and one door, it seems. You can see the door still there. So this is basically the Windows one, but with wheels. So you can make different cars and mobile things. There's like a service station, caravan and wheelchair and motorbike. Probably more things you can build. And Yeah, I get the Lego Classic sets for the parts, so that'll be pretty good. And the last thing is the Microfighters Millennium Falcon. Yes, okay, so this came out at the start of 2018 as well. I looked at the 2014 Microfighters one, and obviously that was retired. I didn't really want to get a $30 one on Bricklink, so this was $16, and yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm looking forward to building this, so yeah, and that's everything. That's everything in the box. I'll put everything back into shot. Okay, so that 2017 classic sets, the 2018 classic sets, the Microfighters Millennium Falcon, and the 60 years of the brick anniversary set there. So that's everything in today's Lego haul. There's 7 sets in total. It cost me 226 Australian dollars, so not actually my most expensive, but I think it's a pretty good value. So that's everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share the video to help promote my channel with the YouTube algorithm and stuff. So I'll be reviewing all these sets. I might decide about the Millennium Falcon and 60 Years set. But I will definitely review all the Lego Classic sets. And yeah, so that's the Lego haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.